What's ultimately at stake when we put out a piece of clothing is somebody's life. And it's really that simple. If we don't do our job right and create a piece of clothing that can keep that person safe, they may die or get seriously injured. And I think about that literally every day.
For several decades now, DragonWear has been building super technical industrial clothing that keeps you safe. But we don't just create apparel products. We push the frontiers of safety and performance by inventing new technical hybrid fabrics, investing in state-of-the-art design, and embracing technological innovation, relentlessly testing everything out in your world before we ever think of putting our name on it. We help make a bad day in the field better by creating a complete layering system for all seasons, resulting in clothes that are lighter, softer, more versatile, and more comfortable than anything you've ever owned, with the added security of knowing everything we create is going to send you home safe. Because your work is hard enough without worrying about your clothes working against you. Because you deserve to be comfortable and safe. That's why Clothes You Live In is more than just a tagline. It's our promise. Somebody once described winter as an enchanted wonderland. Well, not in our world. Here it's brutal. Icy winds, falling trees, whiteout conditions, storms rolling in. But we don't have the luxury of calling in sick, because when everyone else is tucked away safe at home, we're on the job, 24/7. No matter what the task or how extreme the conditions, we're here to answer the call. And so is DragonWear. Made with a revolutionary fire-resistant fiber, this hard-wearing combination is wind and tear resistant that's warm, lightweight, and breathable. Element's flak jacket that blocks 98% of the wind, which is good to know when you're hanging out in a bucket. Our Cold Warrior balaclava that's FR and ARC rated. Fact is, no other clothing protects you better, keeps you warmer, or is more comfortable for those endless days in the bucket or on the wood. Superior protection, rugged versatility, proudly made in North America. DragonWear. We've earned the right to be in the field with you. The temperature is rising. Looks like another scorcher. The smart ones have taken shelter to escape the heat, but we can't. We have a job to do, and thousands of people depend on us to do it right. Because one mistake and it's lights out. Literally. With a couple 100,000 volts coursing through those lines, we can't afford to take chances with our life or our gear. That's why experienced linemen depend on DragonWear, the most trusted name in industrial clothing. Take our Elements Blaze jacket, for instance, a beacon of visibility and protection. Or our dual hazard shirts that protect against fire and arc flash hazards, as well as dreaded heat stress. Featuring lightweight, sweat-wicking fabric guarantee to keep you cool and comfortable. Smart zone panel construction so it's easier to move. And 4-way stretch technology for the ultimate and next-to-skin comfort. DragonWear, superior protection, maximum versatility. Built for the nation's toughest profession, yours. There's a snap in the air, a crunch underfoot, an electric current that's palpable. It's the change of the seasons. And while others marvel at the emerging fall colors, we look to the sky. Clouds are massing, the rains are coming. A windstorm gathers strength. We know what's next. It will hit when we're 40 feet up, working on a power line with an angry southwestern beating at our backs, or bushwhacking in the North Country to restore a critical outage. That's why those in the know choose DragonWear, a linesman's best choice in industrial clothing that works as hard as you do. Like our Dragon Shield jacket that increases thermal warmth while physically reducing the bulk and weight. Or our Dragon Slayer utility pants that makes it easier to move when working on a steep side slope, or reducing chafing at the same time. Or our Alpha Vest made with inherently flame-resistant fabric that won't melt, drip, or combust, no matter what you get hit with. And that's just the beginning. DragonWear, superior protection, ultimate versatility. We got you covered.